When people visit the Detroit Zoo, they often head straight for our many animal habitats. These habitats and their animal inhabitants are amazing, but they are not the only places at the zoo that are worth checking out. In this special series, Secret Zoo, we will share some of the Detroit Zoo's less known but equally fascinating features. This episode focuses on the zoo's secret trees. To learn more about the Detroit Zoo's secret trees, let's play a game of tree trivia, or trivia. Question number 1. How large is the Detroit Zoo's tree population? Is it A, 3,000 trees, B, 5,000 trees, C, 7,000 trees, or D, 9,000 trees? The correct answer is C. The Detroit Zoo has a population of over 7,000 trees. These trees not only have value in and of themselves, but also help people, other animals, and the environment. For example, they improve air and water quality, provide shelter and food for insects, birds, and mammals, and help absorb rampant carbon dioxide. Question number 2. What tree species has this bark? Is it A, dogwood, B, sycamore, C, birch, or D, cottonwood? The correct answer is B. Sycamore trees can be identified by their mottled, peeling bark. To remember how to identify them, think, this bark makes the tree look sick, so it must be a sycamore. The Detroit Zoo's tree population includes several sycamore trees, including this one between the great apes and red panda habitats. Question 3. Where can one find this ginkgo biloba tree? Is it A, on Belle Isle next to the Nature Center parking lot, B, on Belle Isle next to Blue Heron Lagoon, C, at the Detroit Zoo in the Cotton Family Wetlands, or D, at the Detroit Zoo next to Buddy's Pizza? The correct answer is D. This ginkgo biloba tree is at the Detroit Zoo next to Buddy's Pizza. It is over 80 years old, having been planted in 1937. The ginkgo biloba as a species is also one of the oldest living tree species, having first appeared over 290 million years ago. Question number 4. What tree species has these leaves? Is it A, tulip tree, B, the beech tree, C, the birch tree, or D, the sassafras tree? The correct answer is A. Tulip trees can be identified by their bilaterally symmetric, four-lobed leaves, which some people say look like the outline of a cat's head. To remember how to identify them, think, this leaf looks like a cat's head, and cats have two lips. The Detroit Zoo's tree population includes many tulip trees, including this one in the Ford Education Center courtyard. Question 5. How many more trees will the Detroit Zoological Society have planted by 2022? Is it A, 500, B, 1,000, C, 1,500, or D, 2,000? The correct answer is D. The Detroit Zoological Society will have planted 2,000 more trees by 2022. We are planting these trees at the zoo, on Belle Isle, and in communities across Metro Detroit. This initiative is another step on our green journey towards sustainability.